Hands clean. You want to be washing your hands once an hour, maybe with soap and water or a sanitizing gel. The reason that's so important is that the virus spreads through droplets. The droplets don't hang in the air for an awful long time, but they fall onto surfaces, and your hands are always touching surfaces. And that's why washing your hands is so important, because we pick up the droplets on our hands and then we touch them against our face. There's research that shows we do that 15 to 30 times an hour. Public transport is a key thing to be conscious of. You want to be aware of what you're touching. You need to touch things in these places, the handrails, the handles on a tube train. So all of those surfaces are likely to contain germs, and you're going to pick them up on your hands. So just be aware of what you're touching, and after you've touched it, make sure you wash your hands before you're touching your hands to your mouth or eating food with them. The other area that's important is your house. Droplets are going to spread onto surfaces around your house. The really obvious ones are kitchen surfaces, bathroom surfaces. So be aware that those are surfaces where viruses could gather and are likely to be shared around. And what you want to do is you just want to wipe those surfaces with soap and water a couple of times a day to keep them clean. Also with children, explain to your children how germs spread. Don't make them paranoid about them, but remind them that germs come from your nose and mouth. They end up on your hands. If you touch surfaces containing germs, you'll get them on your hands. And that's why it's so important for them to wash their hands before they eat, before they brush their teeth at night, just to keep themselves clean, and they will reduce their chance